Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying quick prerequisites. Be signed in as an administrator and save work because restarts can happen. Once ready, press Start, type Settings, and open the app. This gets you straight into Windows configuration. Next, select System on the left if it isn't highlighted, and then go to Troubleshoot. You're not digging through Control Panel. This path takes you directly to the built-in troubleshooters that target Windows Update specifically, so proceed now. Once in Troubleshoot, tap Other Troubleshooters and locate Windows Update in the list. You'll see a Run button next to it. Click Run and let the tool scan. It detects corrupt caches, service issues, and misconfigured settings, then suggests or applies fixes automatically. Make sure to approve any prompts to stop services or reset update components because those actions let the troubleshooter repair stuck updates. After it completes, note any recommendations shown and restart if the troubleshooter advises it. You finish by restarting the PC to let repaired components take effect, then return to Settings Windows Update and click Check for updates to confirm success. If the issue persists, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter a second time, and once done, use DISM and sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair system files. Make sure to record any error codes the tool reports. Those codes speed targeted searches and help you or support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.